and the morning shines, and as you look and you see the beauty of nature which is before you, nature which one can say is the creation of God. The creation whereby everyone wants to be a part of this domain, be a part of this world. I listen, and if you listen, you can hear the birds, the squirrels, everything cohabiting in this space, which was created for one purpose, for all to live. The sun peers through the bushes to say, hey, I'm here. The birds whistle to say, hey, I'm here. You see the different inhabitants, people, hey, I'm here. You look up, you can even maybe see the squirrels, hey, I'm here. You listen softly, you can hear the wind caressing beautifully the leaves. And if you listen gently, you can even think that you're actually hearing the breeze. The tree trunks been here for years. Even some little flies, you may not see them. They're coming straight to me. There they are. There they are. There they are. Beautiful. And sometimes life can be a bad thing. When I say a bad thing, whereby one is constrained by different things from your back to your side, you find yourself constrained by many things. But at the same time, if you look at the bushes and the plants, they're surviving in this deemed to be clustered space. They're surviving in this clustered space. They're living. They're breathing life. They're breathing energy. Everyone enjoying this clustered space of living life. Birds, bees, everyone. The lady. Even the dog enjoying the cluster space. Morning. You know? But the thing I'm talking about is this now. There's something else. When that clustered space is there and one seems to be constrained, as you keep moving, and as you keep moving, there's something which is going to happen. Circumstances, challenges, sometimes may want to push you back against the wall. But as you keep going, and as you keep going, you're going through the bushes, there's something you're going to see. And you can see everyone is moving towards it. It's like it's beckoning, it's calling, it's beckoning, and it's calling. And there, what you're seeing is this space. Beautiful space. Beautiful space. Beautiful space. And then this space is what is the challenge. This is the challenge. This is the challenge. Look at that. Look at that. The space. That's what it's all about. Thank you.